Hi guys, welcome to Piping, Welding and DT channel. This is a computation and I will draw a line. Okay. And this is our question. So this is spool and this is also elbow, center to center of elbow. So we have a question with this one and another question. The given is our elevation. So this is our elevation and this is elevation. I will give a given of 3,500 and I will give in here elevation of 3,000. Now the question is how we will get this center of elbow and the spool. Okay, so first we must minus the elevation of 3,500 minus 3,000. Okay, so 3,500 minus 3,000, so this is the 500. Okay, now this 500 we will multiply it to 1.414. So to multiply that, so 500 multiply to 1.414, so we have answer of 707. So meaning our center to center elbow is 707. So this is 707 and we have answer of center to center elbow is 707. So where we will put this 500. So 500 is our, so this is a dotted line. So we have a 500 here. Okay. And now we will find this spool. So we will give a given of diameter of pipe which is 8. So this is our diameter of pipe. Okay. To find this spool, you must know what is the takeoff of 45 degrees elbow. Okay. So the 45 degrees elbow is 15.8. Okay. So 15.8, this is our 45 degrees elbow takeoff, and multiply it to diameter of 5. The answer is 1264, and we have 2 elbow, just multiply it to, the answer is 252.8. Okay, so this 252.8, that one is our takeoff of 2 elbow So 2, 5, 2.8 is our takeoff. Just minus it to 707. Okay. To find this spool. Okay, our answer for that spool is 454.2. So this is how to get the center of elbow and the spool. Okay, minus the elevation and find the takeoff and minus it to center to center of elbow. Okay, so next computation is to find again the center of elbow, but this is 90 degrees. So the same procedure, this is our elevation and we have elevation also here, and I will give a given of 2500 and this is a 2000. Now we will compute this and also the spool. So with the same procedure, um, with 45 degrees, okay, just minus it the elevation, 2500 minus 2000, so this is a 500. So no need to multiply it to 1.414. Why? This is a 90 degrees. Okay, we have two 90 degrees and this 500 just transfer here. So our to center and to center elbow is 500. Okay, now we will find this a spool. So to get this spool, just know the takeoff of 90 degrees. So 38.1, multiply it to our diameter of pipe is 8 also diameter, and multiply it to 8. So answer is 304.8, multiply it to 2. So we have 2 elbow, so this is 609.6. Okay, so this is our takeoff of 2 elbow. Now this 609.6, okay, 609.6 minus it to 500, so this is 109.6. So our spool is 109.6, so this is 109.6. So this is easy way how to find a spool and a take off and center to center of elbow. So thanks for watching guys, and I hope you have learned about this computation. This is for you 5-feeter, and you will use this computation in your final interview in the piping. Okay, so thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.